Funky.
Hi everybody, this is Sir Pierre, back another day with another unboxing. And even though I always carry a pocket knife, I haven't done a video about this one, and not yet. I will when the other ones are back from being sharpened. So even though I always carry a pocket knife, I really like keychain knives. So anything, oh, these were small. Anything like this that ends up on Kickstarter, I buy. So these are called Jimmytronics. I will have the name in the description. Jimmytronics. No, I believe that they had another name like Microt or something. So really small. And I want to show you, I got some keys missing because some of the cars are away on winter storage. So I don't have all the car keys here. But this one is my favorite. From Bomber and Company. I really like this one. Great. And then we have this larger one. I don't want to put keys on the table, that's why. I really don't use this one at all. I have another one from Wesson that was quite expensive. That was just, I don't know, a little bit too heavy, so I don't use that at all either. So this one, I have it on my daily driver car, but I don't use the knife. The knife that I use the most, let me see what I have here. None. That's weird. So that's missing. This one, I don't believe I've used that at all. So inside here we have a small blade. I don't think I've used that one at all. This one I use a lot. I have on my JDM Corvette, I have two of those. Oh, sorry, I already forgot. The car keys are at the garage. But this knife, and on the other JDM car keys, I have one just like it, but in black instead. I use this a lot for all kind of things, just because it's so small. I have even opened a car door with this one. So this one is great. This one is available with Supreme logo, dropped by Supreme, but they won't sell it to Sweden. More of this, the blade thing. Oh yeah, this one. I don't think I've used this at all actually. It's not bad, it does the job, but I haven't used that one at all. More of those. I don't remember how many of those I ordered. This one is also kind of nice, but I like them small and discreet. Another of those micro pill. I think they were called micro pill. Knives. So yeah, I got a bunch of those keyrings knives, and these are also keyring knives. A bit smaller than expected, but that is the whole point of a keyring knife. It shouldn't look like a knife. And when I am, I don't want to say embarrassed, but when I am a bit shallow of, and this is the smaller one. The ones I got two more of this model, larger ones, and those are my daily carry knife, my EDC knives. But they are a bit too long. So at the store or something, when I'm gonna just open a package, it's a bit too much to pull out. So that's why I ordered this one, the smaller brother. I don't think this is well, in Sweden everything is illegal. I'm pretty sure even these are illegal. But let's get to it. So, a small blade. And this is not to screw it, the Microt by Jimmytronics. I thought you were going to tighten it when it was folded out or in, but no. So that's just a handle, that's it. And it's not sharp. It's not. It will open packages. It will cut tape, but not more than that. You can use it as a toothpick, maybe. But I'm gonna put them on my keys, and I have them very small, very light, and will not scare any old ladies at the supermarket when I cut tape or open a package. So for that, it will do the job. It's actually not sharp at all. Not at all. You can't even cut. No. So it's pointy. That's it. That's it. It will cut tape. You can use it as a toothpick. But that is it. So it will cut. And that's the only reason to have it. When you want to cut tape, open a package and not wear, and this is a small knife, when you don't want to wear something like this. So yeah, that's it for this unboxing. I'm gonna put them on some keys. I don't know which ones, and I don't remember. Let me see now. I got 5 cars at winter storage, green Corvette, black Corvette, and Rocket Bunny 3Z, the SL. And I don't even remember what kind of knives I have on those car keys. All right, that's it for this video. Thanks for watching.